So today we are going to picnic. We are going to berbuka at Padang Merdeka, which is fun. I'm gonna meet my friend. So we are very excited. So since we're waiting for them, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. So okay, this is my outfit for today. It's not that pretty, but I love it. This is the option I have. I'm wearing this black satin shawl. This necklace, I bought it at the mall. Somehow it's very pretty. Look, my best friend chose it for me, but I bought it. So pretty. I decided to wear this on Raya, but I changed my plan since this is so pretty. I really want to wear it. And then I wear rings, and I have my Apple Watch. This dress is satin dress, and then I'm wearing my LV again because I love LV, okay? Way here, I'm going to off everything here. So my makeup is so pretty today. So look pretty because I am pretty, okay? I'm gonna wear shoes. I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear. Paano maki oh? It's just both of us now because
we're going to buy some drink.
Literally orang literally healing bak kemah sekali. So excited for this one. First time, and they were given bubur lambuk free later. I'm so excited. Canceling because hujan, ya Allah. We
have 2 days from here.
So we failed this picnic.
Siapa ya? Kong ada sini. Oi. Dia nak kau gila. Oh, tahu. Jadi gini. Kong gila.
Yes, we are going to apa ya? We're going to eat bakso. So guys, we are going to eat at bakso. So, may order. Sama lah. Tapi guys. Diba? Masuk vlog ni dah. So, we are going to try this. Ada macam apa?
My friend.
Sudah tengah buat live.
Gitu.
So easy.
Beli tu.
Wow, what is
Oh my god! He bought me this. Bukan. She bought me this. So cute. Tengoknya comel lah. Sebabnya comel dia mengambil itu.
Cakap nak beli benang tau.
Tengok, cute nak dia beri mengambil.
Suka beri.
Dia pun ada hadiah. Kelak lah, saya boleh padak.
Okeylah. Kalau beli bunga banyak kek kelak.
Ya lah.
Aku mau bunga nak saya.
Itulah highlight of the year. Highlight of the year nak. Kami jumpanya.
I never been up there.
So we are going to
Semua ikut.
here. Oh, Mamang ikut ke turis So guys, this is so pretty.
Sambil kah? Guys, this is our 2 times.
Here, this tapi time tu lah. The prettiest one because ni ada kita tahu. Tengok. Mana siya? Oh, siap. Somewhere that. Hi guys.
Oh, dia si Pak.
Mana tu?
Let's take pictures.
Guys, I want to go home. Bye-bye.
Never ending. The never ending.
Grabe. Oh, ini gusto.
Aku sih tahu bila. Aku tahu bila tu nak apa.
Cimata, cimata. Again.
Siya, oy.
Ya Ari. Kami rasa chicken saya baca kot. Nak
Today we at
Sekejap ni tahu.
Dewan Undangan Negeri. Very the wow. Like this is our first time. No, this is our second time here. But first time we've been there. Been here. I never been inside there. So hopefully this time we're gonna be inside there. But even we are Sarawakian, we didn't know this place is so
Gambar
beautiful.
ketiga.
I've never seen this, but this is a beautiful. This is so beautiful. Oh, okay. See the right next to you? This is the Jambatan Darul Hana. It looks very long, but I'm scared to go up there because you know, it's like shaking like that. Shaky. There, it's a lot of. I'm not a tourist. I'm a terrorist. Girl, I want to approach her. Let's go. Not a bubble. I haven't been up there.
I've never been.
Oh.
It's just like
You Sarawakian?
I'm not.
Oh.
Oh
Where you
yeah,
from?
I'm proud to this girl.
Oh, we at Pangkalan Sapir, you know?
Look at it.
Okay. What is it?
Proud to be Sarawakian girl.
Okay,
Your
girl.
girl.
She's proud to be a Sarawakian girl. A tour? Yes. Is it a tour? Channel number 1 and channel number 2. And the Minion.
On channel number 3.
Oh, I'm channel number 1. Obviously, Salah.
Channel number 2. That's me, channel number 3. And then channel number 4, I don't know.
So, look at their kid. Let's interview the kid.
The hell? You!
So this is my first time. Put my leg here. Wow. But it's quite. Oh, dude! Don't do that. Oh, okay. Let's go there. So
we're
at Pangkalan Sapir.
aku dah mula tua lah Mia Teh.
Oh, ya.
And she gave me this.
Hi Umi.
Adrian, do you see this?
I miss my two best friends yang malas kena badah. Ay. Girl, are you okay? Yeah, that's normal to me. We are so happy. So we are done with everything.
Keren.
Listen to it. Kau takut mesti aku surprise.
Kita mesti berdoa. Kita mesti berdoa. Okay guys? Kasi sumpah kami akan
kita expect kami boleh tahu.
si.
Kita expect kami boleh apa?
May expect kita beri kami Podo Chocolate love. Oh, love you. Oh, si jawab love you kami.
Love you too. Tapi kacak doh. Oi, selfie.
Okay 1, 2, 3.
Angin lalu